Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever watched traders talk about their backtests and wondered how exactly you can test a trading strategy automatically without crunching the numbers by hand, then today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and run your very first automated backtest on TradingView, even if you've never done it before. We're going to walk through a real example, step by step, and by following along, you'll unlock insights into how your trading ideas might have performed in the past. Let's dive right in. To start, open up TradingView and look for the Strategy Tester panel. This is where all the backtesting magic happens. Once you've got your chart open, head to the section where it says Load Your Strategy. Think of this like adding a recipe to see how it performs with the ingredients of the past market data. In the search box, type in Bollinger. This pulls up a list of available strategies that use Bollinger Bands, a really popular indicator for finding volatility and potential price reversals. Select just one of these strategies. Don't worry too much about which one if you're just starting. The key is to get a feel for the process. Instantly, you'll see the strategy's trades plotted out and the backtest results begin to populate below. But before you go any further, here's a little tip. It helps to scroll back in your chart, maybe a couple of months or even a few years. Why? Well, the more data you run the strategy through, the better you'll understand how it behaves in different market conditions, like those surprise rallies or nervous dips. Get comfortable using the navigation tools to move around your chart history. Don't worry if your computer feels a little slow here. Large amounts of data can take a moment to load, but this is totally normal. Now let's take a peek under the hood and keep things tidy. You'll want to go to the object tree and the data window. The object tree is like your chart's organizational map. It shows you everything currently overlaid or drawn on your chart. In the data window, you can spot details for each object, like the parameters in use. For now, our aim is to remove the Bollinger strategy so that we can test a different one. Simply find the Bollinger entry in the object tree and go ahead and delete it. If you accidentally remove something you didn't mean to, don't panic. TradingView has an undo button, or you can just reload your indicators. Next, we're going to repeat our earlier steps, but this time we're searching for a different strategy. Head back to load your strategy once again, and this time type in ADX breakout. The ADX Average Directional Index is a helpful tool for spotting strong trending moves in the market. Select the ADX breakout strategy and give it a moment to load. Just like before, scroll back through a couple of months or years on your chart, observing how the new strategy would have triggered trades historically. See how the results differ from the Bollinger strategy? That's the power of backtesting. You get to compare and learn what might work best for your style. And there you have it. You've just completed your very first automated backtests on TradingView. It might feel like a lot the first time, but as you repeat this process, you'll quickly gain confidence. Remember, each strategy is like a hypothesis about how the market works. You can test, adjust, and improve before ever risking real money. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions about the process, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. For more helpful trading tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy backtesting.